Mbukeli sikubingelele sikwamukele indabeni zehora lesikhombisa kusihlwa lezi ndaba nizethulelwa usakhiwo ngokwasokhela likho ke lishona ngena indaba zalo ake sibheke nazo ezinohlonze. Ayaqhubeka amalungiselelo omcimbi okugcotshwa kamengameli wezwe ngolwesithathu ekseni endlini zombuso. Leli kuzobe kuyihlandla lesibili lika Cyril Ramaphosa lokwengamela iNingizimu Afrika.
Si understand ukuthi abantu ngaphandle ngempela baneyinselele ezahlukahlukene edinga thina ukuba usebenze ubusuku nemini.
Emva kweminyaka eyishumi, iIFP sibuyele emandleni esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal njengoba usihlalo wayo kulesa sifundazwe uThami Ntuli ezofungiswa njengondunankulu wasokusasa. Kulindele ukuthi usingathwe ngolwesithathu umcimbi okugcotshwa kamengameli wezwe ezindlini zombuso ePitoli. Umengameli wezwe obusayo njengamanje uCyril Ramaphosa ukhethwe ngoelethu amalungu ePhalamende likazwelonke ngolwesihlanu olwedlule eKapa.
Emva kokuhlala kwePhalamende lesikhombisa ngesonto eledlule ngolwesihlanu, inhloko yamajaji ijaji uRaymond Zondo wamemezela imphumela yokuvota kwamalungu ePhalamende. Nalapho umengameli wezwe uphinde abe ngumengameli we-ANC wakhetha ngoelethu edlisela ogageni umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema.
283 votes.
Enkulumeni yakhe uRamaphosa wagcizelela kumalungu ePhalamende asanda kukhethwa ukuthi kuyisifiso sabantu bakuleli ukuthi izwe libuswe uhulumeni wobumbano. Kwazise kungokuqala ngqa kusukela ngo-1994 ukuthi ngabibikho iqembu elinqoba ukhetho ngencaca yamavoti.
It is a government of national unity that we are constituting, and we've been here before. We were here in 1994 when we sought to unite our country.
Ungqongqoshe ihhovisi likamengameli uthi amalungiselelo okugcotshwa kamengameli ahamba kahle.
The ceremonial elements will include, amongst others, a 21-gun salute, a salute flight by the South African Air Force, the inspection of the South African National Defence Force battalions, a battalion march past, and a mast fly past, which will include the South African Airways.
Ladies and gentlemen, SAA and Falcons.
Umcimbi wokugcotshwa kwamengameli uzowenganyelwa inhloko yamajaji ijaji uRaymond Zondo. Uthanyelwe izinhloko zakwamanye amazwe kanye namalungu omphakathi. Umbiko uSihle Dlamini wezindaba ze-SABC.
Izinhlaka zamadlela ndawonye neANC ikhosathu kanye neSACP azivumelani nesinyathelo esithathwe yiqembu sokubambisana neDemocratic Alliance kuhulumeni wobumbano kuzwelonke. Umfela ndawonye wenyunyana ikhosathu khalange lokuthi iDA akulona iqembu elizokwazi ukubeka phambili udaba lwezisebenzi.
Amadlela ndawonye neANC abenenguyazana ende namalungu obuholi phezulu beqembu ngesonto eledlule ngaphambi kokuqokwa kamengameli. Obekuphezulu kubungwa ngakho ukwakhiwa kohlelo likahulumeni wobumbano. Okuvelayo ngalomhlangano ukuthi bekunokungavumelani ngokuthi iDA kanye neMK Party kufanele babe ingxenye yohulumeni wobumbano.
We made it clear that we were against seeking any coalition with the DA and the MKP. This is because we developed ourselves to become South Africa's leading political organization against neoliberalism and its other policies such as austerity.
Umfela ndawonye wezinyunyana ikhosathu umile kwelokuthi awuhambisani nokufaka kweDemocratic Alliance ezivumelwaneni sohulumeni wobumbano njengoba benomuzwa ukuthi iDA ayinandaba ngezinkinga ezibhekene nezisebenzi.
As a trading federation, we have been deeply concerned by the Democratic Alliance's attacks on the rights of workers, including more recently on the labor laws and the minimum wage. The DA, to its fault, since 1994, has voted against every single labor law and hence as COSATU, as a trade union federation, we remain deeply concerned and opposed to their inclusion in government.
Umholi we-MK Party uJacob Zuma uthe ayikho eNingizimu Afrika into yohulumeni wobumbano. Uchaze lokhu njengombimbi lwe-DA kanye ne-ANC oluzobeka phambili abamhlophe kuphela.
They decide to put our country as if it's at war. We now need to be together so that we can have a government of national unity. That is meaningless, says nothing.
Kulindeleke ukuthi umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa agcotshwe ngokusemthethweni njengomengameli wezwe ngolwesithathu ezindlini zombuso ePitoli.
Emva kweminyaka engamashumi 20 IFP sibuyele emandleni esifundazweni kwaZulu Natal. Ukubuyela kwayo kuza emva kokuthi inqume yokusebenzisana neANC, iDA kanye neNFP. Uhulumeni obumbano esifundazweni wona oqoke uThami Ntuli njengondunankulu. Kanti kusenjalo iIFP ithi iyamthemba uNtuli ukuthi uzosihola kahle isifundazwe.
Undunankulu esifundazwe iKwaZulu Natal uThami Ntuli wazalelwa endaweni yaseNkandla. Waba yilungu lenyunyana yothisha iNATU. Ukhulele kwi-IFP njengoba umholi wayo kwesiyingi nesifunda. Ngo-2012 waqokelwa kwesobumeya eNkandla, kwathi ngonyaka u-2019 watonyulwa ngumsunguli weqembu iNkosi Mangosuthu Buthelezi ukuthi agcine eqokelwe sokuba uhlalo we-IFP esifundazweni. Ngo-2019 waba ngusodolobha waseKing Cetshwayo District. Iqembu lakhe lithi amava akhe lokhu kuzomenza abuse eziqonda kahle izikhalo zabantu.
Sinenkolelo yokuthi uyindoda ezokwazi ukubelana nomsebenzi enamava namagayelo akhe futhi ayayikhulumela.
Ethula inkulumo yakhe yokuqala ngemuva oqokwa ngoLesihlanu, uNtuli uthi ubuholi bakhe buzoqhakambisa ukuhlinzekwa kwezidingo ngokusheshsha.
Siyaunderstand ukuthi abantu ngaphandle ngaphela baneyinselele ezahlukahlukene edinga thina ukuba usebenze ubusuku nemini ukuzama ukwenza ngcono impilo zabantu.
uNtuli uzogcotshwa ngokusemthethweni njengondunankulu eMgungundlovu eWoodburn Rugby Stadium kusasa, bese eqoka ithimba lakhe labaphathi beminyango kahulumeni. Eyindabeni ze-SABC, nginguVusi Khumalo eThekwini.
Isifundazwe iLimpopo sesinondunankulu wokuqala wesifazane oqoke ngesonto eledlule kulandela ukhetho lwangenyanga edlule. UDokotela uPhophi Ramathuba ufungiswe esishamthetho sesifundazwe ngoLesihlanu.
UDokotela Phophi Ramathuba wakhulela kuyo le ndawo. Wafunda esikoleni iChitangule Primary School. Owayefunda noRamathuba esikoleni uthi ubezimisele esangumfundi ezinikele efundini zakhe.
She was very bright. She liked the work. You know, the most thing that I still remember while we were still young, there was a garden at school. You know, she was staying far from the school, but she will make sure that she have to water her line.
Uthisha wakhe wesingisi negeography naye umkhumbula ngendlela efanayo Ramathuba.
When it comes to debate, she was always the first one to volunteer to do all these things. When it comes to geography issues, I had no problem. I know even if I do not have much preparation, people will always do it for me.
Ngo-2015 obengundunankulu waseLimpopo uStanley Mathabatha wamqoka njengowengamele ezempilo nokuyisikhundla asebenze kuso waze waqokelwa kusobundunankulu ngesonto eledlule. Unamazwi okugqugquzela intsha.
It's possible that things can happen and one day you can find yourself leading a province.
uRamathuba uthi uzobeka phambili ukuhlinzeka umphakathi ngezidingo nqangi ukuthuthukisa izimboni nokuheha abatshali imali kulesi sifundazwe.
Mbukelisi sathi iqhubwe etolo kanti masibuya sizophathela uWT.
The loss of everyone means so much, and the loss of a certain vice president is a huge loss.
Iphini likaMengameli waseMalawi uDokotela uSaulos Chilima ubekwe endaweni yakhe yokugcina eningizimu edolobha iLilongwe. uChilima waphangala lengozini yendiza nabanye abayishagalombili ngesonto eledlule. Mbukelisi kubingelele sikwamukela uma ngabe usanda kungena. Odabeni oluhambe phambili besibike ukuthi ayaqhubeka amalungiselelo omcimbi okugcotshwa kaMengameli wezwe ngolwesithathu eksene endlini zombuso. Leli kuzobe kuyihlandla lesibili lika Cyril Ramaphosa lokwengamela iNingizimu Afrika. Bukela sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi indaba zikhona ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus. Ngena kuzo uzicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzozithola. Uzokhunjulwa ngeindlela ezahlukene ungqongqoshe wenkampani engamabhizinisi ombuso Pravin Gordhan njengoba esethi khumu kwezombusazwe. Ngaseqaleni kwalonyaka uGordhan wamemezela ukuthi uzothatha umhlala phansi emva kokhetho likazwelonke.
Ngaseqaleni kwalonyaka ungqongqoshe wezinkampani ezingamabhizinisi ombuso uPravin Gordhan wamemezela ukuthi uzothatha umhlala phansi kwezombusazwe emva kokhetho lukazwelonke. Usebenze ezikhundleni ezimbalwa ezimqoka kusukela kuhulumeni owawuholwa nguNelson Mandela kwaze kwafinyelela kuhulumeni wehlandla lesithupha.
I think the biggest impact of Mr. Pravin Gordhan was building SARS that became a formidable and globally recognized revenue and customs administration that produced good fiscal results exceeding revenue targets.
uGordhan waqama kakhulu ngesikhathi sokubhozonyelwa kwamandla ombuso kusabusa umengameli uZuma nongenzeka ukuthi kuhlobene nokuxoshwa kwakhe eminyangweni wezemali ngo-2017.
We know from the evidence before the Zondo Commission what had happened at Eskom. The same was true at Transnet. So the first year, 18 months to 2 years, Transnet and Eskom in particular, you had to appoint credible boards. You had to get rid of the corrupt people deeply implicated in corruption, and these were senior executives.
Yize kunjalo-ke kepha kukhona abagxeka amagalelo akhe.
What we've seen under Pravin Gordhan is extreme suffering of workers and their families in the manner in which he ran these SOEs to the ground. Thousands of jobs were lost at SAA, more than 3,000 jobs lost at SAA, more than 900 jobs lost at SA Express.
Sithandwe xwayisa ababukeli abasheshe bazwele ngemniningwane equkethwe yilombiko olandelayo. Amaphoyisa esifundazweni Eastern Cape abophe wesilisa neminyaka ngama-35 ubudala ngecala lokubulala ingane neminyaka emibili ubudala eXologa ngaphandle kwase Estersenham.
Ukubhubha kuka-Anganam Magcwalisa kushiye uluntu lwaseXologa lothukile. Uluntu lufuna umrhanelwa angasifaki isicelo sebail xa ivele ezinkundleni zamatyala. Kutyholwa ngelithi umrhanelwa uye waba nengxabano nonina womfi phambi kokuba esi siganeko senzeke. Usapho lwexhoba lufuna ubulungisa ngokubhubha komntwana wabo.
Khange sicinge thina lento ayenzile silahlekelwe kuba kwa umntana lo besesimqhelile sinobudlelwane naye. Ngoku sine picture silali akho mntu ulalayo apha endlini nabantwana balingana lo mntana bayagula. Njani lento sizawuthini thina? Uthi sawungcwaba usishiya nomngcwabo sawungcwaba njani thina? Sakwenza njani thina sazi ba silikhaya elingathathi intweni? Usonakalisa angari khange sicinge lento ayenzile.
Ukanti abahlali bathi baxhalabele ukhuseleko lwabantwana emva kwesisehlo.
Ndisacela ke kwakhona into bana pha emthethweni kwezobulungisa kulungiswe imithetho so that isigwebo esiwayo pha ecourt ibe sisigwebo sakuthumela umyalezo strong pha ebantwini ngaphandle athi nomuntu obeza kona angaphindi.
Kusenjalo umasipala iAmahlathi uye wazibophelele kukhupheni indleko zomngcwabo.
Siza kwenza kangangoko singumasipala ukusupporta ifamily le yehlelwe sesisidlo as well as basawusebenzisana nazo zonke ezinye idepartment ezinjengo social development uzowunika icounseling to the family.
Umrhanelwa uza kuvela kwinkundla kaMantyi eCumakala ngoLwesibini apho ajongene netyala lokubulala. Abongile Yangisi kwiindaba ze-SABC eXologa.
Intsha ekhungathekile yasePostmasburg esifundazweni Northern Cape isebenzise usuku lwentsha ukuzwakalisa ukukhathazeka kwayo ngezinga eliphezulu lobutswelaboya kanye nokwentuleka kwemisebenzi.
Izinga lokuntuleka kwemisebenzi eNorthern Cape lingaphezulu kwamaphesenti angama-40 ngenkathi osopolitiki bekhankasa benza ithembiso ezibandakanya nokuhlinzeka intsha ngamathuba emisebenzi.
If they could increase job opportunities, and then if they could make sure that the crime rate decreases a little bit, because we feel, as the youth, we feel unsafe in our own places.
Yize intsha ibhekene nalezi ngqinamba ikhona inhlanzi yethemba.
The problem of substance use disorder in Postmansberg, it's a pandemic on its own. So what we do in our offices, we're trying to educate the people. We're doing a lot of awarenesses in the community.
Uhulumeni wase Northern Cape usenxusa intsha ukuba iqala amabhizinisi.
Look at business opportunities that are there. If you've got a concept, put that concept on paper, go to the provincial government and ask for assistance.
UNdunankulu uqhakambise ubumqoka bokubandakanywa kwentsha emnothweni.
Umlimo osafufusa waSotho ngathi KwaZulu-Natal usethathe ibhizinisi lomndeni walibeka ezingeni eliphakeme ngomsebenzi awenza emasimini. uSiniren Naidu oneminyaka engama-31 ubudala ke wenza ezibukwayo kwezolimo.
Usebenzisana nobaba wakhe uEllen eplazini lomndeni uselima izinhlobo ezahlukene zemfino. Imfino ithandwa kakhulu emphakathini womdabu wamandiya nesizwe esensundu. uNaidu akakuyelanga esikoleni ukuqeqeshelwa ezokulima okuningi kwalokho akwaziyo okufunde kuyise kusukela esemncane.
I actually studied a BCom accounting and a postgrad in tax law. I didn't intend on getting into farming. However, obviously, as I said, watching my dad in the farm and kind of wanting to experiment and follow in his footsteps led me to get into the farm. And then doing a little bit of research, I think, as you would coin it, the traditional vegetables of South Africa is what I started to experiment in, more specifically imifino. And that's when I started branching off into exotic veg.
uNaidu uthi luncane ulwazi oludluliswa abantu abadala mayelana nemfino yingakho ingasasetshenziswa.
I think there's a great opportunity, not only just for me but across the country. I'd definitely like to also get into agro-processing of kind of dehydrating it and getting them to other parts of the province, especially those areas that are struggling with food security. I guess this is a herb that can almost be put into water, boiled, and you've got a meal.
uNaidu uthi imikhiqizo yabo isitholakala ezitolo eziningi esifundazweni kuya eKapa naseGoli. NginguNonhlakanipho Magwaza ezindabeni ze-SABC oThongathi.
Iphini ngamengameli waseMalawi uDokotela Saulos Chilima ubekwe endaweni yakhe yokugcina eningizimu yelilongwe. uChilima uchazwe njengomuntu obelithanda izwe lakhe. Owengameli iMalawi Lazarus Chakwera uthembisa ukuthi uzokwenza uphenyo mayelana nembangela yengozi eholele ekudluleni kaChilima.
Lesi isikhathi esinobuhlungu eMalawi njengoba lelizwe belivalelisa iphini likamengameli uDokotela Saulos Chilima. uChilima unconywe kakhulu njengomuntu obemqoka entsheni eningi yakhona eMalawi.
The loss of everyone means so much, and the loss of a certain vice president is a huge loss, because this is a vice president who was very visible, very engaging, very energetic, very positive in his outlook. He was a go-getter for Malawi and had confidence that Malawi was on the right path. So it means a lot. Many people are mourning, especially young people who also identified with him.
Ozakwabo bathi bazokhumbula ubuhlakani bakhe.
One thing we'll remember about him is his zeal to fight for this country. He was a loving person, he was a kind-hearted person. He wanted to make sure that there was peace in the country.
Senjalo, umengameli waseMalawi Lazarus Chakwera uthi kuzokwenziwa uphenyo ukuze kutholakale imbangela yengozi. uChilima ubebonakala njengongancintisana okhethweni likamengameli oluzokuba ngonyaka ozayo.
Kwaze kwethokozo bukela ukuthi siphinde sihlangane njengoba sesisho sithi ke mancane amathuba emvula ezilapha nalapha esingaphelezela ukuthi umkakhulukazi endeni Buffalo West abe mancane futhi mongeneke engxenyeni ke esentshonalanga yase Western Cape liqhubeka nje nokuthi ke libalele okukanye singakwazi ukubona inkanyezi mongena kwaZulu-Natal kanjalo nasengxenyeni ke ezingasenyakatho kanti ke nakusasa singaqhubeka nokubalela lapho kwaZulu-Natal yongena eFreestata eNorth West eGauteng yongena eMpumalanga engxenyeni esenyakatho phansi lapha eMthatha singasho sithi ke lingabalela usondelele wamsingobanda engxenyeni esentshonalanga namakhulu amakhulu kakhulukazi ke Nyangogugu lethu abe mancane mongena ikakhulukazi ke engxenyeni ezimaphakathi singangamafu mongena kwezinye indawo ezingapha entshonalanga iSouth African Weather Service iyasikhiza isixwayiso esilapha kusigaba sesibili somoya ungathanda ukuba amandla kusuka lapha ko Cape Point uyongena ko Cape Galasi kanti ngamazinga aphansi okanye kuyofika kusasa kuseyimpondo zankomo singasho nje sithi ngaqhubekela bade nje ikakhulukazi ke engxenyeni esenkabeni kubuza ukuthi ke ungubunga kuyongena eGauteng yongena eMpumalanga ko ML yosondela ko Bergville komNambiti nokho endaweni ezingasoguna kufani phansi lapha eStern Cape singalindele ukuthi nakhona liqhubeke nje nokubanda kanti ke ngathanda ukubanda kakhulu mongena lapha kuSutherland uyongena lapha koCalvina nokho akufani kodwa mongena engxenyeni ke ezilapha ngaseKapa kanti ngokuphaka kwenhlavelanga ngivumele ngisho ngithi ke singalindele ukuthi lithande nje ukuthi ke lifudumale engxenyeni ke ezilapha kwaphindini nokho kwezinye indawo lingathanda nje ukuthi libande okanye libe phakathi ngapha ngasentshonalanga sitsho sithi siyongena phansi lapha eStern Cape lingathanda nje ukuba phakathi kamnandi lifudumale okanye lishise lapha komhlaba yalingana koRichards Bay kompangeni kwesakaphetho lifudumale kwezinye indawo ethuze ngontaba zokhahlamba emtshezi lithande nje ukuphola uyongena ikakhulukazi ke engxenyeni zaseFree State lifudumale koNorth West yongena ke ikakhulukazi engxenyeni ke ezilapha eGauteng lingathanda nje ukuthi liphole libe phakathi uyongena eMpumalanga lifudumale mongena eMessina ngivumele ngithi ke ngiyayithatha indaba enobusuku obuhle
Bukele sisibeka lapho ke besikuphathele zona kusihlwa nje kuze kube ngokuzayo usale kahle